Labo zamazama ababoshwe izolo ebusuku batholakale namadwala egolide kanti iningi labo elasemazweni angaphandle.
They were found with some gold-bearing material, and we hope that once they are done in the following week, they will appear in court. So amongst those that were caught or came to the surface, some are from Zimbabwe, Mozambique, majority of them.
Amaphoyisa athi asebenzisana nomnyango wezasekhaya ukuthola ukuthi labantu bakulelizwe ngokusemthethweni yini kanye nokuthi bavela kumaphi amazwe.
We also got information that what normally happens if someone is from Tanzania or Malawi or even far, they will prefer to say they are Zimbabweans, so that when they are taken there, somehow they will find their way back. This is a very serious challenge that our partners has indicated to us.
Amaphoyisa athi bonke abasolwa ababoshiwe basazophindela ngokuhlukana ezinkantolo njengoba kukhona abazophindela mhla zingama-20 abanye babuyele mhla zingama-25 kuNcwaba. Lokhu kungenxa yokuthi ayikho inkantolo engakwazi ukubamumatha bonke.